Greetings Yoovic Seller Team. Last time we have completed our order from verified supplier. After the order confirmed and processed, you will receive confirmation email from supplier with shipment details to list product on Yoovic. Like box weight and dimensions, shipment date, paid invoice after listing, sent generated barcodes to supplier on their email with order number. Before listing, make all the listing details ready as you can see in this document. Now let's start the listing process. Open Seller Dashboard, scroll down the left menu, click on Product module and then click on Add Product if you are adding new listing on Yoovic, because YPIN listing has its own option. Check out all the requirements to list product on Yoovic. Today we are listing product in FBY model. Open the list details document to start listing. Here we are copying the title and add it to listing. We will copy the short description and add it to listing module. Now we will add the main description into listing. The main description always have a banner to make it more attractive, the key points to attract buyers. After adding the description, check all the details. Then we will proceed to category setup to add our product into right place so it will be discoverable for right buyers. Select the right categories according to your product. Then select the brand from brand list. If the brand is not added, then click on Add New Brand and write down the brand name and upload the brand logo. Then generate your listing code. Now it's time to add tags which help to optimize the product listings. Tags should be always according to your product, and before adding all tags, check that all tags should be comma separated. After adding all tags, click on Enter, then all tags will be automatically added. Now we will proceed to pricing details. Market price is that other marketplace's price, then add your selling price. Add your available stock you are sending for FBY. Then add discount if you want to add, otherwise leave it empty. Then add refundable option if the product can be refunded. Then add product weight and dimensions. Then add shipping charges if you want to charge extra shipping. If you want to provide free delivery, then leave it 0. Select this option if you want to charge shipping according to product quantity. Now if your product has variation, select any attribute. Then add your variation according to the attribute. After adding variations, here you can add every variation price separately. You can add separate thumbnail and gallery images for all variations. Now add the main variation thumbnail and gallery images. Upload the required images in your gallery. Select the thumbnail image. Select the gallery images and click on Save. Add product YouTube video link if available. Add meta title and meta description for optimization of listing. Then verify all details filled. This product don't have variations, so we remove the variations and proceed to next process. Then click on Submit and you will be redirected to generate product and box barcodes. This is the most important step. Select the model FBY if you are sending to Yoovic warehouse, or select FBM if you will deliver the product to customer directly. Then fill out box details. If you have separate boxes, then you can add extra boxes with different quantity. If all products are in same box, then go with simple mode and generate barcodes. Confirm the product quantity and generate product barcodes. Then generate box barcodes. Check the product barcodes. Check the box barcodes. Then add the shipment date provided by the supplier and select the warehouse provided in the option, and then save shipment details. After submitting, listing will be gone for approval. Send the generated barcodes to supplier through email with your order number so supplier will ship immediately to Yoovic warehouse. Thank you for watching. Yoovic will be always try hard to provide best services.